Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Life with Tay. Today I am making chili. Now for starters, I have my kidney beans boiling them. I use 2 cans of large kidney beans and I poured them in a pot and I rinsed them off and I added water. So I'm going to let those come to a boil and I'm going to add some chili powder while those boiling. And then I also have my meat cooking. I'm waiting for that to get done so I can add my onions and my bell peppers. And then once that's done, I'm going to add it to my kidney beans. Okay, now I'm adding my meat to my chili. As you see, it's very meaty. Okay, you guys, this is my chili. I'm going to just let it simmer for a couple minutes, but it's really done. Thank you guys for watching another episode of Life with Tay. Like and subscribe.